Hey, it's Mimi and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I attempted to create favorite internet drink at the moment. It is called Dalgona coffee. I can't pronounce it properly. So basically, a Dalgona coffee, if none of you have heard it before. So a Dalgona coffee is a beverage made by whipping equal proportion of instant coffee, sugar, and hot water until it becomes creamy and then adding it into hot or cold milk.
Oh, sounds lovely, isn't it?
I actually attempted to create one of it and this is what happened. So what you're going to do is that you put 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of coffee into a mixing bowl and then combine them together. Get your mixer and start mixing. If you do not have a mixer, you can just use the whisk. You have to do it for like 400 times to actually get that consistency that you wanted. It's like your workout for the day, which is not bad at all. Once you've reached a foamy consistency, get yourself a glass of milk. Slowly put the froth on the top of the glass of milk. And then you're finished. Easy, right? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye!